Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to easily backup and restore Windows 11 registry. If you are going to install an unknown software or want to manually change the Windows 11 registry, I will suggest you to create a backup of registry so that in case something goes wrong, you can restore the registry from that backup. Creating backup of registry is quite easy. First, you need to press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. After that, type here res edit and then click on this one OK button. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. In the registry editor window, select this one computer. After that, click on this one file in the menu and then click on this one export option. Now choose a location, select a location from the left navigation pane. After that, name the file such as full backup. After that, click on this one save button. This will take a few seconds and will create a backup of whole Windows 11 registry files. Once the backup created, you will see a registry files with the same name. For instance, I have created backup of 255 MB. 255 MB is the full backup of my Windows 11 registry. To restore it, again open registry editor, click on this one, select your computer first. After that, click on this one file menu, then select your import option. Now navigate to the registry file that you have created backup, select it. After that, click on this one open button. This will import all the registry files that you have created backup before and make your PC serviceable that you were using before making changes to your registry. That all that details will be automatically restored. In case a few error comes, just click on this one OK button. That's all about this video.